Hi friends, this video shows how to install and use DeepSeek app. Go to this apps tab, then go down, select the search field. Here we can search for apps and games. Let me search for app browser and install. I already installed browser app. Here under this your app section, you can find icon of browser app. Let me select. This is a browser app. Here select this search field. Here we need to enter this URL www.deepseek.com. Enter and go to this website. Then select this start now. Then select open. Now we can see DeepSeek chat. Here we can ask questions. Go to top. Here you can see bookmark icon. Set it. That way we can save this URL. After that, close this tab. Go to home screen. And here under this favorite section, you can find icon of deepseek.com, chat.deepseek.com. Later, if you want to open DeepSeek chat, you don't need to enter complete URL. Just select this icon from the home screen. That's all. Let me select this icon, chat.deepseek.com. See, it's directly opened DeepSeek chat. Here you can ask questions. This way we can install and use DeepSeek app or website. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.